More numbers for you today. More than 9,000 people have now tested positive for COVID-19 right here in Franklin County since this pandemic began.
Yeah, the county's seen more positive cases than any other in the state. NBC4's Dan Perlman joining us now to break down the spike that we have seen and just within the last few days.
Well, I spoke with the Franklin County Public Health Commissioner today. Certainly the spike is something he is watching very closely. Joe MAZZOLA tells me over the last 5 days, the county has recorded about 200 new cases a day. To put that into context, he says those are numbers we have not seen here since late April or early May. He tells me the spike is not just due to additional testing, but he and his team are working to determine the specific cause or causes. Now, given what we are seeing, I asked him if he believes the state reopened too quickly.
Certainly the speed of which we have reopened over the last 4 to 6 weeks has given me a little bit of concern. We've tried very hard to work within the parameters that the state has set with the guidance and the new orders, and we've done our very best to be proactive in that messaging to our residents and to our business owners, and we're going to continue to do that.
And MAZZOLA tells me it is too early to put any new restrictions in place, but he says we need to be open to ideas on how to limit the spread. Local for you in Columbus, Dan Perlman, NBC4.
All right, Dan, thank you so much. But despite those concerns, July is shaping up to be a big month for reopening outside of course, the month of May. Hocking Hills is set to reopen all of its trails on Thursday, and that's the same day Kings Island will welcome back its season pass holders. Guests, well, they can return to the park on July 12th. COSI announcing it will reopen to its members on July 8th and only on July 8th, but many of their exhibits will be off limits.
Well, Cedar Point also reopening to its members next week, but no word on when others will be allowed back. And yesterday, Governor said that nursing homes can begin preparing for outdoor visitations. They're set to begin on July 20th.